Hi everyone, I'm Christina. Do you suffer from acne? If you're an adult, I've got a wonderful method for you using a very unique ingredient, aspirin, to help reduce inflammation, the signs of acne scars, and kill the acne itself. Let's get started. For our materials, we're going to be using a simple measuring cup filled with 1 teaspoon of water, a mixing bowl, spoon, and 4 Advil that I've placed in a baggie here to crush. Now, I'm using Advil. You can use any type of aspirin you would like. And of course, our meat pounder, what we're going to be using to crush the aspirin. So what you're going to do is simply take the baggie, make sure it's sealed shut, lay it down on a flat surface, and begin to use your meat grinder. Give it a couple quick pounds until it comes into a fine powder. We're going to place the content in the bag right into our bowl here. Next up, we're going to place a few drops at a time of the water. You can make this mask more liquidy or a little thicker, whatever you prefer. Use your own judgment. You don't have to use the whole teaspoon of water. And stir while you pour. Looks like I've got enough in there. Give it a quick stir. And you should still see some of the aspirin chunks. That's going to help exfoliate the skin as well. This is what your mask should look like. You're going to want to apply this mask onto clean skin for 10 minutes. How do you know it's done? The aspirin is simply going to fall off the face. Rinse with warm washcloth and moisturize as usual. You can use this mask to help with inflammation and reduce acne about twice a week. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'm Christina.